Here I've got the Honeywell Comfort Control. It's a stand-up oscillating fan. It has a remote and several controls. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box, put it together, and see how it works. So here's the fan. I already turned it on. This is high. That's high. It's low. So that's low. That's medium. And then that's the high. It has the oscillating feature. It has a timer. And then it also has some modes for like a breezy mode, quiet mode, for nighttime. So it has the variable speed, so it feels like a breeze. So putting this one together wasn't too difficult. Just a couple things to note. It has, when you put your second fan, once you got your first fan in, when you put your second fan in, there's going to be two little arrows. Make sure those line up. The little red piece that holds in the fan, it's already going to be attached when you take it out of the box. So it's going to twist to the right, and you're going to twist the little rod to the left. So it's going to twist to the right, and then you're going to, it's a little hard to do it. I used a little wrench just to kind of pry it loose. But it was a little difficult. And underneath there's a little attachment that goes under the base to hold the base to the actual rod here. So you'll remove that, then you'll drop this into the hole and then attach it up from the bottom. But overall it was pretty easy to install. It wasn't too complicated. And so far it's a really good fan. It was a lot quieter than I expected, so which is pretty good. So it comes with a remote that has all the modes that you're going to need for the fan. So it's pretty good. So I'm going to take it back a little bit of a distance. So you could pretty much use it from across the room without any issues. But yeah, it's a good little remote.